So the big moment has come, ladies and gentlemen. The first episode on this channel, and it's a very special one right from the beginning. It's the Microsoft Surface Dock 2 that you see here. Super fresh, a real retail version, not sponsored by anyone. I just bought it with my own money in the store. And here it finally is. What an exciting moment. More exciting than ever. Any Surface laptop, new generation or Surface Book, forget about that. This is the Dock 2 that turns your Surface device into a desktop. So what has changed to the last version, which is like 4 to 5 years old? Well, it's not only the number 2 that they added to the brand name. No, they have removed the mini display ports, have replaced them by 2 USB-Cs. You see here actually the back of the device, and if we turn it around over here in the front, you also have 2 USB-Cs, and the 2 in the back are actually also display enabled. We still have the Ethernet connector, an audio jack, 2 USB-A for classic devices, the mini display port again completely gone, and the device is now pushing more power through. So you can also charge other devices if you want. It has like almost double the power from before. So what we're gonna do now is unbox this baby, right? It's a big brick, it's quite heavy, and it screams to get free. It wants to break free, like Freddie Mercury. So let's just do it. As you can see, I just opened it here. There's another strap here. We just open it, and da-da-da-da. Wow, what an unboxing experience. It's my first unboxing video ever, so bear with me. Look how nicely it opens up. Oh, look, it's like a new phone. Forget about any phone box. This is much nicer. Look at this. With little icons that explain the type of connection. We get a little booklet here. Beautiful. Wow, and what's here? Like a little chocolate. Now it's a power cable. Beautiful. What do we have here? Second one. It's almost as big. Oh, look at this guy. It's even bigger than the device itself, right? Wow, look at this. It's like the same size. This is the charger. Wow. And a hefty one. So let's open up this main guy here. The Surface Dock 2. Wow, see here the connections. Two little straps need to be opened. Okay, and it broke free. Look at this guy, the front. They could have maybe used a couple of more connections here in the front. You see here the Microsoft logo, 2 USB-Cs, the Kensington lock, the power, an Ethernet, the audio head jack, 2 USB-Cs, 2 USB-As, and the power cord. So I think this is it for the very first video of unboxing this little baby. I will turn it on with a couple of screens and devices just to check that it functions. So stay tuned for the next video. This it is for the first one. See you soon for the second video. Thank you, everyone.